Hi, sir.
Thank you so much. And on behalf of the people of PGS, there is an I'd like to thank you for this kind donation that will go towards assisting them in their before. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bank of Baroda. How are you, sir?
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is Thank you, Bank of Baroda. Allow me. Thank you. Thank you. Giving us a kind donation of $50,000. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
It's been very helpful to us in Arusta.
I understand you have some.
Yes.
Thank you.
A small presentation from Mr. on behalf of Arusta Food. We have been quite effective lately.
Oh.
And close to 40% of our staff was very effective, which we are happy to reduce.
This is important. This is also important.
So we engaged directly with the community. We have our farms, village there, we have water directly. So actually we are engaging. But I want to thank you on behalf of Arusta and also the community of the office the government is taking this initiative.
Thank you. Thank you. I want to thank Mr. Poultry for his wonderful donation of $10,000 that will go along this towards assisting the people affected, especially those that are affected within the hurricane. Thank you very much. What's this?
It's the copy of Pasilo to the
Okay.
same the copy we get.
Okay. 30.
Yeah, 30, yeah.
Thank you. It's what company is this one, right?
Jen.
Oh, sorry, excuse me. Okay. But thank you for the wonderful donation
Okay.
to the people that have been affected by the recent hurricane. Thank you very much.
Look at you.